Welcome to the Ultimate AI Showdown. In today's video, we're diving deep into the battle between Deepseek AI and ChatGPT, two of the most advanced AI models shaping the future of artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered which one is better for research, content creation, or real-world applications, then stay with me till the end, because this comparison will give you all the answers. What exactly are these AIs? First, let's break down what these two AI models are and how they work. Deepseek AI is designed for high-precision tasks, focusing on data-driven analysis, scientific research, and deep learning applications. It's a model optimized for handling complex data sets, technical calculations, and coding-related queries with a high level of accuracy. Think of it as a powerful research assistant, one that processes massive amounts of structured information and delivers factual, well-organized answers. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is built with conversational intelligence in mind. It doesn't just answer questions, it understands context, adapts to human emotions, and generates responses that feel natural, engaging, and creative. Whether you need it for writing, brainstorming ideas, problem-solving, or customer interaction, ChatGPT is designed to make conversations as smooth and human-like as possible. How do they differ? Now let's take a closer look at what truly sets them apart. 1. Accuracy versus creativity. Deepseek AI is built for precision. It thrives in areas where facts and accuracy matter most, such as scientific research, mathematics, and structured data analysis. ChatGPT, in contrast, shines in creativity and adaptability. It can craft stories, generate ideas, and even understand humor, making it a go-to tool for writers, marketers, and creative professionals. 2. Data processing capabilities. Deepseek AI is excellent at handling large amounts of structured data, which makes it ideal for research papers, programming assistance, and analytical tasks. ChatGPT is designed for real-time conversations. It adapts quickly to user intent, making it great for customer support, interactive discussions, and content generation. 3. User experience and accessibility. Deepseek AI is technical and works best for users who need deep, data-driven insights. ChatGPT is designed for a wider audience. It's intuitive, easy to use, and perfect for everyday tasks like drafting emails, learning new topics, or having engaging discussions. Which one is better for you? Ultimately, the choice between Deepseek AI and ChatGPT depends on your needs. If you're a researcher, data analyst, or programmer, Deepseek AI is the ideal tool for precise, information-rich responses. If you're a writer, business owner, or someone looking for a conversational AI that feels natural, ChatGPT is the better option. Both AIs are powerful, but their strengths lie in different areas. Some users may prefer the structured and research-driven approach of Deepseek AI, while others may favor the creative and human-like responses of ChatGPT. So which one do you think is better? Let me know in the comments.
If you found this comparison helpful,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. See you in the next video.